I love the look of those custom 3D wooden signs you see in high-end boutiques and on Etsy. But have you seen the prices lately? For a laser-cut hand-painted sign, they're charging $60, $80, even over $100. And I refuse to pay it. So today I'm showing you how to get that exact same custom boutique quality for a fraction of the price. Let's start with a classic candy cane lane. Usually to get this 3D raised letter look, you have to order it custom and wait weeks for shipping. But I'm cheating. I pre-cut all of these designs in my shop using my own laser cutter and pack them into these all-in-one DIY kits. You get the same high quality, 3D wooden pieces used by the expensive shops, but you get the satisfaction of making it yourself. I only cut a limited batch of these for the holidays because I pack them myself. So if you want that high-end custom look without the custom price tag, the link to grab the kit is right at the top of the description. Look at that dimension. That is the difference between a cheap flat sign and a high-end decor piece. It's clean, it's crisp, and the quality is unmatched. Okay, these next two are for my neutral rustic girlies. If you love that high-end rustic aesthetic, Reindeer Road and Antlers Avenue are for you. To buy a heavy vintage-style wooden sign like this at a holiday market would cost a fortune. We are getting that same designer look for way less. I love Etsy, and there are so many talented makers there. But the reality is, they are at the mercy of platform fees, which automatically drives up the price for you. That's why at Crazy Craft Creations, we skip the middleman. By offering these kits directly on my own website, I avoid those extra fees and pass the savings straight to you. This one hits the biggest trend of 2025. Have y'all seen the gingerbread decor this year? It's everywhere. This is Baking Boulevard. This is Baking Boulevard. I designed these kits to be completely beginner friendly. You don't need to be a professional crafter to get a professional result. It really just comes down to 4 simple steps: paint, glue, seal, and display. The laser cut lines make it impossible to mess up the placement, so it's honestly as relaxing as a coloring book, but with a high-end 3D result. Also, be careful when shopping around because most kits you see online are actually just laser cut wood pieces, leaving you to go hunting down paint and glue yourself. But at Crazy Craft Creations, we offer truly all-in-one DIY kits. We include everything you need to complete the project from start to finish right inside the box. And with 42 color choices, you aren't stuck with generic options. Your custom color palette options are endless. Here's my favorite tip for painting these wood pieces. Keep your coats thin. If you want a solid, bold look, 2 thin coats will give you the perfect full coverage. But if you prefer that rustic farmhouse vibe, just do 1 thin coat. This allows the beautiful natural wood grain to shine through the color, giving it almost a stained effect without the mess of an actual stain. And finally, for the conversation starter. Dear Santa, define nice. I've seen similar quotes on small ornaments for $20, but we're making a full-size statement piece for $25. So you get the same high-end boutique quality for way less money. Because these are so self-contained, they are perfect for hosting a Christmas craft night with friends or family. Just grab a few kits and you have a whole party activity ready to go. And honestly, a hand-painted sign makes such a thoughtful gift. You get the credit for making something handmade and personal, but the kit does all the hard work for you. So there you have it, 5 boutique quality signs that didn't break the bank. Which one fits your style best? Remember, these kits are a limited holiday run. If you want to grab one before they sell out, click the link in the description below. And if you love all things tablescape, you won't want to miss my next video, our snow globe centerpiece. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you stay up to date on all our latest videos. Have a wonderful, lovely week, you beautiful soul, you. Happy crafting! Bye!